More news coming in. This has got to do with the NEET controversy. The hearing in top court in the Supreme Court of India is underway. Supreme Court has issued a fresh notice to the NTA and Centre making some observations. Admit if there is a mistake in conducting the exam. Supreme Court urges the Centre and NTA to rectify the mistakes, if any. Centre has been told to reply to the Supreme Court notice by the 8th of July. Kanu is getting asked more details. Kanu, in fact, while the Supreme Court asking the Centre to file a reply by the 8th of July when the next hearing is, has also made some observations that this has got to do with the future of the children. It involves their hard work and their labour. And imagine the plight if there were doctors who end up, in fact, students who end up becoming doctors through a possible fraudulent process.
Yes, Neha, very well. This petition is filed by Nitin Vijay, who is the CEO of the Motion Education and Coaching. And he has also sought some 20,000 children have, been clubbed in this petition and challenged the cancellation of the NEET UG examination and sought for a re-examination. But very, very importantly, the observations from the top court comes at the time because the vacation bench is still sitting. So they have just asked the Centre and the NTA to rectify if there is a 0.001% error also in the entire system, then that needs to be rectified. The bench emphasized on the fact that, the students work really hard for these exams and nobody should go unpunished. The court went on to state that, if imagine a person has become perilous to the system, and also said that imagine a doctor treating who has passed like this and needs to be checked. So the court has advised Centre and the NTA not to take this litigation as an adversarial litigation and comes forward and accepts if there is any kind of mistake. Now all Centre and NTA needs to do is to file a proper response to the batch of petitions which was already pending in the Supreme Court, and they have all been listed for the further hearing on July 8th when the Supreme Court reopens after the summer vacation.
Right. I'm going to thank you for getting us those details, Kanu Sarda. With that report from the Supreme Court of India, can't forget the hard work of students. What about their labour? Imagine if due to negligence, there are students who end up becoming doctors, there will be consequences, is what the Supreme Court of India has said today. They're scathing observations made by the Apex Court.